Alright guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and in this video guys I want to show you guys a really simple forex trading strategy. And guys, mind you, I'll be changing my channel name very soon, and I just want to make a quick announcement. My my Instagram account got banned for some reasons, very weird, and I want to make a shout out to someone paid me money to teach them how to trade, but unfortunately my account got taken down and I was unable to contact them. So the thing is, I want you guys, if you paid me money to teach you how to trade, I know the person. Actually, I know the person. It's just that my account got banned. I reached out to them, but unfortunately they did not. I don't know if it's a she or a he. I didn't get a response because I used my younger sister's account to contact them, so I can give them a refund, or we can go on with the training. So if you are watching this video and you paid me money to teach you how to trade, please contact me, because the person was feeling like I was a scam. I was scamming her or something like that. So please contact me so that we can get down to business. I can teach you how to trade, and let's do it, man. So all right, so if you want me to teach you how to trade, then you can contact me too. I can teach you how to trade. Just DM me on my Instagram account. It's in the description. I've changed the Instagram account. You can DM me on my Instagram account. It's in the description, guys. If you want me to manage your trading account, you can also DM me in the description. And so not in the guys, not in the comment section, guys. Do not go to the comment section to look for my details. My details is in my description. All right. If you go do anything outside my descriptions, then it's all on you. All right, so let's get straight into this video. All right, so for 2 minutes I've been rambling, guys. Yeah, it's because I want to show you guys a very insanely profitable forex scalping strategy. That's Alright guys, so I want you guys to hold on tight. Let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is a live trade I'm taking. I'm live on right now on the US dollar against Japanese yen. I took this trade right here and I'm already up 1 hour on this trade. But the thing is, I saw this zone, right? This is a supply and demand zone. The market gave us this really decent supply. At first you can see there's a supply at this highs here. So these two areas are my area of concentration, guys. So I was looking sorry for that, guys. I was looking at this highs, at this kind of stick, to get in on the trade, or this kind of stick. All right, so to me this second supply is a lot stronger, because I can see the movement at the downside is a lot stronger than this first one. But I was like, okay, if this one ended up being a losing trade, then I would get in on this one. So I was risking about 1% of my account on this trade, and as you can see, we're already up 1 hour on this trade. So I just want to see. Already my stops is moved to break even, so I'm risk free on this trade. So if this trade ended up being a win or a losing trade, I am absolutely fine. So get this lows, get what to do before it retraces to that supply zone. It's low right here, and yeah, so I think that's gonna be a 3.5 to 1 on just this one trade. So let's just see, guys, how the trade ends up being, and I will get back to you guys with the result of this trade. So my stops is moved to break even, just right at this point, just slightly into profit, so it could cover up for our commissions and and all those fees on the trading platform. So guys, I'll get back to you guys with the result of this trade. If it moves, I'll move my stops to break even, or trade the stops, or you can just check the trade results if it's end up getting to that point, which is this our TP level. You can actually leave it to run to the TP level, or you can just trail it and bank as much profit as you possibly can. But it's just a rough idea of how I trade. It's a very simple strategy, but this is just like the ABC of how I trade. This is not exactly. So that's why I was saying that if you want me to teach you how to trade, then drop me a comment no, no, come on, guys. Just contact me on my Instagram account. I'll be updating my Instagram account on all my videos because I noticed that it's the account that was banned is still on all my videos, so I need to change them. I need to change them in the description of my video. So guys, like I said, do not go to my comment section to look for my information. My information is in my description, guys. So damn, guys. Alright, guys, let's wait of this trade. It's still moving, so let's just wait, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, so that's the kind of way I like to trade my stops. Although it comes in sometimes, it's not like that's the bread and butter of how I trade. Sometimes, usually, I just my stop hit or stop loss. But for this example, guys, I want to show you guys a really simple way to trade your stops. Like for example, now, like guys, price price made this low and it took it out at this point. It broke it out and even went further down. So a easy way to like bank in some profit. I usually don't like doing this. It makes me get out of the trade, and I can show you an example real quick now. You can even see that that's what happened. So you can move just above that zone, that high, above that previous market high before the push to the downside, this previous high before the push to the downside. So the only downside is you get taken out very early and you miss out on some really big move in the market. So but for this example, guys, I'm not moving my stop to break even. I'm not moving my stops in that zone. I'm just showing you guys an example of how you can, probably move your stops to break even. And if you look at that, if we get taken out at this point, we made a very tiny amount of profit. So let me see, that's around 0.5% of our trade. All right, so well, for some people it's kind of better than taking for some people it's better than taking nothing on a trade. And if you're a beginner, you are not comfortable with watching charts move up and down and losing your profits, like your trade already went in profit and you lost it. If you're not comfortable with that, guys, then you can just probably leave it to hit your stop loss or hit your take profit. So as you can see, if we had moved our stops to that zone, as you can clearly see, we got stopped out on this trade because definitely spread would have taken us out of this trade, definitely. So or you can just let it run and hit your main TP. And yeah, so guys, that's all for this video. I don't want to make this video too long. You can check the result of this trade after this video. You can go to trading view on the USD JPY pair on the 5-minute time frame. Take note of the entry, and that is it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you enjoyed this video, guys. And what's popping, guys? It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. And don't forget to contact me if you want to learn how to trade. If you want me to manage your account, DM me on Instagram, and let's get down to business.